Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Today's video, we're going to be replacing this e-brake. You can see that it's falling apart and it's no good anymore. And I'm going to be replacing it with an OEM part. And with that being said, let's get into today's video. Let's go. Alright, and the tools that I'm going to be using in this video are these plastic removal tools. This one and this pick. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the pick that much, but for sure this one. Alright guys, so to remove this, you need to pry it from right here where the rubber and the plastic attach. So yeah, all you got to do is pull the rubber back where it's attached to the plastic, and then you'll take your pry tool, you'll kind of just wiggle it out of place, and then right here at the very bottom, you can't see because the rubber's in the way, but there's a hole where the plastic clips in, and you'll want to push it in and you'll be able to pull it out a little bit. And then the same with the other side, you'll do the same thing, and it should be able to come out just like that. I mean, you're pretty much done, but if you want to take it out, there's a little tab right here, and you can take it off like that. And then this has a clip like that. And once you're done with that, you can take off the rubber and install your new e-brake. But before we do that, you can see that here are the little holes for the clips, and these are the clips that snap into place just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this really quick and then install the new part. To install it, you just need to put the rubber first. Slide it in place. Then you'll want to assemble the actual button. Then you'll want to install the cover. And when you install the cover, you want to make sure that these little slits go into place right here. They tug in nicely on the sides. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, struggled a little bit to install it. After like kind of looking around and see what was wrong, I saw that there was this little tab right there and this notch. So what I did is I slid the plastic trim on top and then I clipped it. So it basically went like this and then I clipped it. So that was the best way, or the easiest way to do it that I found. Alright you guys, you can see that I was struggling to install the e-brake button in this clip, and all it really takes is some force to get it in place. You can see after a bit of struggling, I was able to get the e-brake button in place, and you can see that it works just fine. Alright you guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you guys did find it helpful or informative, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.